Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply texture overlay on your videos on CapCut PC. So first you are going to select your video. I'm just going to select this one, and then I'm going to download like a textured like paper or sticker, anything you want. I'm just going to add this on top of the video, so adjust it first and drag this on top of the video, and you are going to want to scale it up. Then you're going to select the blend mode and choose the blend mode you want to use. Usually I go for overlay, but it's a little bit too harsh. Even sometimes maybe choose darken instead. There's also color burn, soft light. There's a lot of options you can choose from, and you can also adjust the opacity here. And as you can see, it creates this texture, and you can do it with any image that you want. For instance, this one, maybe which one works better? Oop, not that one. This linear burn is like visible if I chose that blend mode for that overlay. But that is basically how you can add a texture overlay onto your videos in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!